So today we will do the activity on fractional number. You know what is a fraction? A fraction simply tells us how many parts of a whole we have. So for this activity we require some color papers, compass, scale, scissors. Now we will draw a circle on these papers. Of same radius. And cut it into circle. Now see, I am having 4 pink circle and 4 yellow circles. Now see what you have to do. Now see what you will have to do. Cut one part. And here also cut it. See. See here what it becomes. This is 1 by 2, is it? You can draw it also if you want. This is 1 by 2. If you change it, it is 1 by 4. You can divide it into 8 part also. See. So it is 1 by 4. When you join like this, what it becomes? It is 1 by 8, is it? Now we have made this activity. Now we are going to show the, now I have made the models for fractions. Now let us define equivalent fraction. Types of fraction. Number one is equivalent fraction. So how to show equivalent fraction? Equivalent fraction means same fraction with different name, is it? See here, this model I have made. This is the whole, and this I have divided into two parts. Again, this green part is divided into four parts. This is an 8 part and this is an 16 part. So if you will take this side, this is half, the name of half is half, and when you take green one, that is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 means 2 by 4, and this one is 4 by 8, and this one is 8 by 16. So all are half, but the names are different. See, it is 1 by 2, it is 2 by 4, it is 4 by 8, and it is 8 by 16. So equivalent fraction means the fraction which shows the same thing with different name, is it? So fraction which express the value of same part of a whole is called equivalent fraction. So see here, this is 1 by 2, and this, it is 1 by 4. When you will, this is 2 by 4, is it? It is divided into 4 parts, so this one is 2 by 4. Now see here, this is divided into 6 part, so this one is 3 by 6. See here, 1 2 3, this also 1 2 3, so 3 by 6. And here it is divided into 8 parts, so when you will show the half, this is what it becomes. This is 4 by 8. So see, all are same, but the name is different. This is 1 by 2, this is 2 by 4, this is 3 by 6, and this one is 4 by 8. So this is called equivalent fraction. Now the next one is like fraction. Like fraction means all the denominators must be same, is it? So if you are taking 4, so it is 2 by 4. If you will divide it into 4 parts, what it becomes? This is 1 by 4, this is 2 by 4, and if you will do this one as it is 3 by 4, is it? 1 by 4, 2 by 4, and this one is, I have taken 1 2 3 parts of 4 parts, so it is 4 by this is, you will do like this. This is 4 by 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 2 by 4 and 1 by 4. So all are having same denominator, that is 4. So these are called like fraction. The next one is unlike fraction. Unlike fraction means all the denominators are different. So 1 by 4, if you will take like this, it is if you will take it like this, it is 1 by 2, it is 3 by 4, it is 1 by 2, it is 3 by 4, or you can take like this, it is 1 2 3 4 5, 5 by 8. So all are having different denominator. Here 2, here 4, here 8 parts. Of you will take this, it will divided into 6 part. So what you will say, 1 2 3 4, so it is 4 by 6. So all are having different denominators, so it is like fraction. Next is unit fraction. Unit fraction means the fraction whose numerator is 1. So it is 1 by 2, it is 1 by 4, if you will, it is 1 by 8, is it? And it is 1 by 6. See here, it is 1 by 6, it is 1 by 6, 1 by 8, 1 by 4, 1 by 2. Means all are having numerator 1. So these are like and unit fraction, is it? Next one is proper. Proper means numerator is smaller than denominator. So here all are proper fraction. It is 1 by 2, so numerator is less than denominator. It is 1 by 4, so here also numerator is less. Here it is 1 by 8, you can take it 2 by 8. So all are proper fraction, is it? Next is improper fraction. In improper fraction, the numerator is greater than denominator. So when you will take this, this is 1 by 4 and this is a whole. So what it becomes? This is whole means 4 by 4, 1 2 3 4, 4 by 4 and 1 by 4. So what is the number? The number is 5 by 4. So it is improper fraction. Next is mixed number. Mixed number means improper fraction can be converted into whole number and proper fraction. So see, this one is 1 and this is 1 by 4. So the mixed number is 1 whole 1 by 4. So you understand this activity, you can do it in your home also to explain the types of fraction. Thank you.